One of the best custom ROM called Paranoid Android is now available for many Android devices based on Android 10. Today Paranoid team rolled out support for OnePlus 3 series and OnePlus 6 series. In this video let's take a look at Paranoid Android based on Android 10 for OnePlus 6 and 6T. So without further ado, let's get started. This is my OnePlus 6T which is now running on latest version of Paranoid Android. Let me show you the software information by going inside the settings about section. Under Android version you can see Android version is Android 10 and the security patch is 5th April 2020. I have been using this ROM since morning. I haven't faced any kind of major bugs. ROM comes with its own launcher which is Paranoid Launcher. Let me show you the home settings. In this we get stuff like notification dot. You can add icon to the home screen. If you want, you can also allow the rotation for the home screen. But you can still customize the launcher by long pressing, tapping on style and wallpaper. From here you can choose the wallpaper. At the bottom you can see style option, clock option, grid and wallpaper. From styles you can create a custom style like I have created. If you want a new one, you can choose the fonts from here. There are 4 fonts available. Tapping on the next, you can choose the custom icons. Then you can also choose the essence color. Tapping on next, we get option to choose the icon shape. Here also we get 4 icon shapes pre-installed. Choose any one of them. You can rename the custom style and tap on apply. This is going to be the first look of Paranoid Android on your OnePlus 6 or 6T. We have tons of options inside. Quick setting panel where you can use live caption. Dark theme can be enabled. If you want, you can also stabilize the screen. ROM also includes screen recorder pre-installed where you can find the options like record audio and show tabs. Swiping towards the right hand side will open up Google Feed. ROM also comes with few applications like Abstract, AOSP camera and retro music player. Abstract is one of the best applications where you can find lots of official wallpapers from OnePlus, official AOSP wallpapers and many more. Right now I am using my Jio SIM card and there are no issues with the VoLTE services. You can make calls using your Jio SIM card. Alert slider works fine, there are no issues with the alert slider also. And if you want a Google Camera application for this ROM, link will be given in the description below. Just download that application and you'll have Google Camera working on your device. All the sensors are working fine like accelerometer, light, magnometer, compass and gyroscope. Now let's go inside the settings. Under network and internet, both the bands of Wi-Fi are working fine. Under mobile network, you won't find any kind of issues related to Jio SIM cards. Then under connected devices, Bluetooth seems to be working fine. Battery backup, I'll be updating you guys after 1 or 2 cycles. Then under display, we have night light, which works fine, no issues at all. Adaptive brightness have no issues. We also get dark theme option and that can be enabled from here. Under color we get options like natural, boosted and adaptive. One of the best part of this ROM is this ROM comes with an similar feature like horizon lights which comes on OnePlus 7 series. Whenever you get any notification, you can see the edge lighting on both the sides of screen. We also get always on display on this ROM. Under sound we have all the basic options. Under security you won't find any kind of issues with the fingerprint scanner. We also get digital well-being which is still in beta phase. You can also enable focus mode from digital well-being or you get this option in the quick setting panel also. Then under system we have gestures which include jump to camera, system navigation gestures which include latest Google navigation gestures, 2 buttons and 3 buttons option. Under screenshot we also get option of expanded screenshots. All the off-screen gestures are working fine. The one issue what you'll notice while unlocking the device using fingerprint, as soon as you tap on the fingerprint unlock, the device screen lights up to its max. And also you guys let me know in the comment section below whether you want the installation guide of this ROM or not. Now let's also take a look at the benchmark results using Geekbench application and Antutu Bench application. With Geekbench application, single core have scored 510 wherein multi-core have scored 2167. With Antutu benchmark, device costs 3,66,600. So guys, this was a quick look on Paranoid Android for OnePlus 6 and 6T. Until now I haven't faced any kind of major bugs. This ROM can be used as daily driver. So as of now, only this much in this video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.